My name is Anthony Brian Malgren of Focal Fuse LLC. I also go by my nickname Andy. And in this video, I plan to run through a brief demonstration of an application located at BMixed.com. So the website for Focal Fuse LLC is located at focalfuse.com, and there's some contact information on that webpage. If you find yourself in the position that you would like to request support or submit feedback, please go ahead and do so through the contact email address located on that webpage. If you have an email client set up, you can just simply click on it and send an email. If not, go ahead and copy and paste into your email application and go ahead and send feedback or support requests as appropriate. So the application that I plan to demonstrate in this video is located at BMixed.com. You can see the URL here. And on the front web page, you'll see a message saying that it's now beta testing, in the phase of beta testing, and that it's a social website. Also, request to not use purely test data, so it's a live application, and it's requested that quality data be used instead of just inputting test data that people aren't really able to act upon and utilize the application based upon that data. Also, it kind of has a disclaimer asking it not to be used for any engagements that are of more than a trivial importance. And with that said, we'll go ahead and begin the demonstration. You'll also see the Focal Fuse LLC link located at the bottom of the BMixed.com website. Just go ahead and click on that to navigate to the Focal Fuse LLC website. So Facebook is utilized for the login functionality and some of the mechanisms. You'll see once for Facebook pops up that it says Betwixt the Mixed. So BMixed is short for Betwixt the Mixed. And once you populate the login information, you can go ahead and click login, and it should take you through the process of logging in. Once that's done, see it processing on the web page perhaps. And once this web page /site see your profile picture, or you should see your profile picture from your page. Go ahead and populate in the upper right hand corner. So to plan an event, we'll go ahead and just click plan, and then populate this information. Currently, the default format for the database that's being used is actually utilizing MySQL. So the default format for fields such as date and time for that database is being used on the front end. So as you'll see, there's the year, the month, and then the day separated with dashes, and the different sections of the date are supposed to be zero filled. So instead of just typing 6 for December 6th, they'll type 06 and zero fill it. So after that, you have the time, then the desired party. If you don't have a preference, just go ahead and leave it as the default of no preference. There's also female, male, couple, and family. Then there's an expense field. So if it's considered a free event, you may go ahead and select free. The other options is I will pay, which indicates that you'll pay for the full cost of the event, or you at least plan to pay for the full cost of the event. Also you pay, which signifies that the desired party should take on the cost of the event. Or there's also a split it option, which you may elaborate upon the split it option in the description if that's appropriate. So instead of watching me type this information. I'll just go ahead and copy and paste and expand a little bit so you can get an idea of what I typed in. And then the meeting instructions, which is sent out, an invitation is accepted. So with that, you can go ahead and click invite. This message pops up, and in this case, and it says invitation was successful. So we'll go ahead and press OK. For this scenario, I plan to run through the scenario with just one account. So usually past this point, someone else would go ahead and log in, click attend, and then attend the event. Just to simplify email logins and things like that, I plan to just use a single account. So now that we populated that information and submitted it to the database, if you click attend, you will see that pop up. So the details are located here. The formatting is a little bit off right now, and perhaps that will be fixed in the future, but basically it just shows the profile picture and then the description of the event. So if that all looks like good to you, then you can go ahead and leave it for other people to accept the invitation to attend that event, or or you can go attend or click on attend and request to attend events. So we'll go ahead and click attend. It says answered successfully, and then if we click here again, since there's no events will populate. So now that we accepted that, we should have received 2 emails. So the first one is sent to the person that accepted the event. So this application, when you list events, it'll go ahead and just automatically kind of like enroll people for the events once an invitation is accepted. So there's kind of some I guess faith in the people that they will abide by the requests that people are making for events and utilize the platform appropriately. So once your invitation is accepted, it automatically sends out the notifications, and it's kind of like a set event, it's scheduled. So in this, you'll see the meeting instructions were populated, also the description was sent out, and then this information. So if we go to the other email, and that would be sent to the person who attended the event, and then the person who planned the event would receive this email, this case. So it just basically says it has been accepted and gives the date and the time. So if we go here and you click here, it'll load the profile information. So if for some reason you aren't able to attend the event, once you receive that email, it'll, again, once you click on your profile picture, it'll populate the events that are currently scheduled. So again, if you aren't able to attend that event, you'll go ahead and click cancel. And then if you click here again, you'll see that it's no longer listed. And then if you go back here, you'll see 2 cancellation emails went out, just basically saying that the event has been canceled. So that's kind of the full scenario for the BMixed.com website. And yeah, once you're done using the website, you can go ahead and click your profile picture and then log out for security, so people are not, or it helps to prevent people from accessing like your face page, scheduling, accepting invitations on your account. It's recommended that you log out if you're no longer using the application. That's a brief demonstration of BMixed.com, again developed by Focal Fuse LLC.